I got these roller derby 2-in-1 switch skates for my 3-year-old daughter, and I've been so happy with them. She's just starting to learn how to skate, so I really liked that these have a training mode and an inline mode. You can switch between the two without any tools, which is super convenient. She's in the small size, which adjusts from 9J to 12J, and that adjustable sizing is a game changer, especially with how fast kids grow. I just push a button and they adjust to fit her feet perfectly. I also love that they came with matching knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guards. The extra protection gives me peace of mind while she's out there learning and having fun. The skates themselves feel really sturdy, but they've also got a soft padded liner inside, so she's comfortable too. The wheels roll well on both indoor floors and outdoor sidewalks. We've tried both. And honestly, the colors and little stars are adorable. She felt like a skating star from the first try. If you're looking for a fun adjustable skate that your little one can grow into, these are definitely worth checking out.